If you're looking for a very easy way to get cash from your business account or cash from products or services that you're selling in your business, then I'm going to recommend that you guys check out the PayPal Business Debit Card. And this business debit card has a lot of perks, it has a lot of features, and PayPal actually has a lot of features and perks for business owners. And we're going to talk about some of those perks in this video. And actually, I did a review of this debit card, I think about 2 years ago. And so I think it's time for an updated review. And I actually never had this card before, but I recently applied for it. I got it. And the reason I applied for this card is because I actually wanted to access cash that was in my PayPal business account. And so I was going to go ahead and go through the process of linking my business checking account and then transferring this cash from my PayPal account to my business checking account. But then I realized that I could just get this business debit card because it's free, and then I can have instant access to this cash. Now, I could also spend using this business debit card for business purchases. And one of the main perks, or the main reasons why I actually applied, is because it gives you 1% in cash back on almost everything that you purchase. Now, actually, let me start by talking about this 1% in cash back. So here's the thing, right? With business accounts, usually you don't get cash back from business debit cards. Usually it's from business credit cards. So for example, I have the Chase Inc. business credit card, and that credit card gives me a flat 1.5% in cash back on all purchases that I make for my business. Now that's really cool, that's great. However, if you're just starting your business and you don't have business credit established, or you're not ready to apply for any business credit cards, then this is a really cool way to get cash back on your business purchases. So first of all, let me go over the features of this business debit card, and I'll talk about some other features that PayPal has that I think that you guys will like, that you can use along with this business debit card. But before I get into that, just a very quick reminder, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, business ideas, and just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one about this or just about anything else that I talk about here on the channel, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below. But with that said, let's jump right into the features and benefits of the PayPal Business Debit Card. So the features of this PayPal Business Debit Card are really good. And first of all, you can access your PayPal balance anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. So you don't have to transfer this money from your PayPal balance to the card. Once you have money in your PayPal balance, then you can just swipe the card and it's going to be taking that money directly from your PayPal balance. And again, this is a MasterCard, so you can use this pretty much anywhere you are in the world. So you can use it to shop online, you can use it to pay for goods and services, or you can even use it at the ATM just to grab cash. Now, secondly, you get 1% in cash back on all eligible purchases, and this cash back is going to be paid out to your PayPal balance every single week. So you're not going to wait like most credit cards would have you wait like a month before you actually get, or you can actually access your cash back. So here you're going to get it every single week. It's going to be placed directly into your PayPal balance. So then you can actually use the card and you can actually use that cash back again every single week. Now, a really cool feature that this card offers, or PayPal offers, is that even if you don't have money in your PayPal account, you can still get cash back on purchases. So let's talk about this, right? So let's say you open a business checking account with some bank. You can link your business checking account to your PayPal account, which means that, for example, if you have no money in your PayPal account, but you go to swipe the PayPal debit card, it's actually going to pull the money from your business checking account. And you may be saying, well, Ian, why does this even matter, right? Why don't I just use my business debit card instead of going through this process? And the reason you want to do this is because you want to link your business checking account to PayPal and keep using this debit card, because even though the money is being pulled from your business checking account and not your PayPal balance, it's still going to allow you to earn 1% in cash back. So basically, if you have cash in your PayPal account, then that's what's going to be used primarily. But if you don't have any money in your PayPal account and you try to use the card, it's going to be pulling that money from your business checking account, and you'll still be getting 1% on those transactions. Now, remember, this is a debit card, so there's no credit checks, there's no application process really. All you have to do is to sign up for PayPal. If you already have a PayPal business account, then that's great. You can simply just apply for the card, and basically they're just going to ask you to confirm your address and stuff like that, and then they'll mail it out to you. You'll get it in like 5 business days. So you get it, you create a PIN, and then the card is ready to be used. Also, with that said, this debit card does come with all the standard features that you would expect from a debit card, such as being able to temporarily lock and unlock your card from the PayPal app. You can also view your balance at any time. You can also request additional cards or replacement cards. So for example, if you have a business and you want multiple people to have cards, then you can apply for multiple cards and you can hand these out to your employees or just about anyone that you want to be able to spend using your business funds. Also, from the app, you can update your personal information, your PIN, and all that stuff. Now, one thing that I want to point out here is that you should download the PayPal business app, and PayPal actually has 2 apps. So they have a personal app and they have a business app. So if you're going into the personal app, then you may not be able to access all the features. So you want to download the PayPal business app, which is different from the personal app. And that way you can actually go in and you can access all these features. Now, with that said, there's one more thing that I really like about this card. I actually like the design. I like the black with the PayPal logo. I hope you guys can see it here. And it simply says PayPal business on the front. I think it's simple, it's sleek. I really like the design. I personally like black cards for some reason. And also, there's no info on the front, which is something that I also like. There's no name. It doesn't show the name of your business. It doesn't show your name. There's no card numbers, no data. And this is really cool because usually you may not be swiping this card, right? You may actually be using the tap and pay feature if you're not using it online. So pretty much you just walk up, you put the card facing down, you tap, you pay, and then you go. And this way, no one that is standing behind you, in front of you, beside you, will be able to see your card details because all the details will be facing down on the back of the card. And so the only thing that they'll see is that you're using a black PayPal business debit card. Now, this may not be really important. It's just personal preference for me. I like black cards and I like cards where the card information is actually on the back of the card, and that way it's not really easily visible to anyone who may be around when you're actually using your card. Now, since we're talking about PayPal, I also just want to mention another cool feature that PayPal now has, and it's a POS system called Zettel, and you can actually get this from PayPal. So you can use it to manage your inventory, you can run sales reports, and of course you can accept payments, so that's also really cool. And this way you don't have to go out there and find like a different solution and then have like multiple different solutions. So you can kind of keep everything together and have everything managed in one place. And PayPal also has some other really cool features as well. Now, if you're using a business account, you can create invoices. You can also do estimates. You can send those out directly from your PayPal account. You can also use the PayPal checkout on your website to accept credit card payments or payments from other PayPal accounts. You can use PayPal to sell on social media. You can create donation links. You can use the paypal.me link so people can actually just pay you directly. And they have a lot of really cool features that you can get if you're using PayPal for business. So all in all, I think this is a really good business debit card to get even if you have a business checking account, as that business checking account may not be offering you any cash back or any perks, and PayPal is going to be giving you 1% in cash back. And remember, even if you're not necessarily using PayPal all that much, maybe you don't use it at all, you should still get this card and the PayPal business account because it's totally free, and you can link your bank account and then you can actually use the card. It will pull the money from your bank account and you'll still get 1% in cash back. So even if you never plan to use PayPal or you don't use it that much in your business, you can still sign up and you can use the card as it's going to allow you to get that 1% in cash back on everything that you purchase for your business. So with that said, I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know what you think about the PayPal business debit card. Is this a card that you already have? Do you currently use it? Do you like it? Do you think that you'll be getting it now since you have an idea of all the perks and features? and how this can actually help you. And I know that I'll be using mine primarily to get cash from my PayPal business account, but you guys can also use it to get that cash back. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. And with that said, if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one about this debit card or just about anything else that I talk about here on the channel, you can message me on Instagram. I'm leaving that link down below. And as always, all the best, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.